information technology security jobs, and cloud computing. It's the wave of the future, right? Hey everybody, this is Zach with IT Career Questions, and I am answering a question. Actually, there's a few people who had this basically similar question here, and that is IT security jobs. Are they good? Is that something that they should look into? And cloud computing, is it good? Is that something that you should look into? And really, that is a very simple answer, and the answer really is yes, because everything is going that way nowadays. And the whole cloud thing, I don't really like. I don't really want to hop on board with, but I have to because that's the way the technology moves. The cloud is great, right? I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of the cloud. There are many benefits of having the cloud, and it can really save a business, and it can save you a lot of money. It can save you a lot of hassle, and it's really good. Backup. There's lots of good reasons to have the cloud for the backups, of course. Gotta love that, honestly. That's the one thing I do like about the cloud. But just having all this information out, who knows where? I mean, you really do know where the stuff goes in the cloud because it's hosted in some server somewhere off-site. Cloud computing is very beneficial, and it's something that you should definitely look into. If there are specialized programs out there in like school that they offer that really dig deep into the cloud, I would strongly suggest looking into those and learning stuff about the cloud. And the same goes for IT security. Security is huge, and you need to be maybe on the good side. And if you want to be on the bad side, that's fine. There's plenty of people out there who want to hack and spam and just steal people's money, and that's the way that it goes. There's no stopping it. But you can be a part of a team that can help try to prevent it. And if maybe you can get involved in a business where they really need some kind of security specialization, and you are really tying their stuff down, locking it down really well, and really making sure that you can secure everything the best that you can so that you don't get hacked, right? So there are many jobs out there where people are looking for people who specialize in IT security, and I strongly suggest looking into that because those jobs actually pay really well. If you can go to school and specialize in something that is security related in IT, I strongly suggest it. If there's some certifications that you can look into and get, I strongly suggest getting those as well. This is something that I have not personally looked into enough to really decide if that's something that I want to move forward and look to do, because I'm busy enough with my current job and what I already do already that going that route might take a lot of time for me that I just don't have right now. But what I do know about it, I wish I did have the time. I really wish I had the time to go to school and learn some of this stuff because I want to make those big bucks, right? That's what it's about, right? Kind of. Not really for me. I like to help people more than I like to work on the back end of things. So actually a security job wouldn't be the best for me because I'm not really, going to be face to face with a lot of the end users. It's mostly work in the background, you're locking down switches, servers, fun stuff like that, right? If that's something that you're interested in, network security, any type of IT security, it's strongly suggested that you go and you look into that, for sure. Same goes for cloud computing, because these are what companies are looking for nowadays. Anybody who specializes in those two things, you're good to go.